Have you lost connection with your media in iMovie or Final Cut Pro? Well, I have, and I've been digging into to see what's going on behind the scenes. Stay tuned and I will show you, and maybe you'll get some clues to fix your own problems. Hi, my name is Kjell-Olov and I'm using Final Cut Pro, and previously I used iMovie, and I have encountered the problem that both of these programs lost contact with the media. Let's begin with this project. You can see here I've got two audio files here, and Final Cut Pro has lost connection with them. And what I found out was that I can right click here and reveal in Finder, and then I get this. It points me to where it thinks the file is. And look at this. This is an alias. And further, it actually turns out that this alias is pointing at itself. I don't know why, but let me show you. So I open the information, and you can see here that the file is located here. And I open a text editor so that I can see what the path is. It's quite a long path, but what I found out was that the original file that this alias is pointing at is the file itself. And it's very easy to show that. We put them one below the other, and you can see it's the same path, and the alias is pointing to this theme 10b WOV file, which is actually the alias itself. This problem actually started in iMovie, because this project here is originally from iMovie, so I exported it from there. So So here's the project in iMovie, and here I actually managed to fix the problem. So I've done some experiments before, and I'm not going to go in depth what I did, but I re-imported these media files. So in iMovie I managed to fix the error by re-importing the files. So I thought maybe then I can re-export this project, and then it will also be fixed in Final Cut Pro. Let's see what happens. So we can't do it. Yeah, we can do it here. So I go to File, Send Movie to Final Cut Pro, click that, and it does its magic. And then in Final Cut Pro it says, oh, by the way, the project is already here. It says it in a rather strange way. Final Cut Pro has received an XML document that is about to replace existing items with matching names. Well, kind of not super clear, but let's do replace here. Okay, surprise, it works, but it's still confused. I mean, you can see here the music is there. But then what is this? Okay, so let's follow the leads here. We can select this audio file here, and we can do reveal in browser. And now it actually adds a new item here. So it says it both, at the same time it says no data in theme 10b, but this one is okay, theme 10b. So where is this file located? Reveal in Finder. So it actually now points to this one. Well, we can live with that. Did some strange thing here. Question is, how... Now we would like to remove these, wouldn't we? I know, I actually did this already, and I know that if I now delete this no data file, then the project will stop working again. So let's see if we can make some sense of that. Let's go to Reveal in Finder and see what file that is. Okay, so that's the old file, the alias that didn't work. So it somehow remembers that one, and it now added a new one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to restart Final Cut Pro, because that's what you do. You restart the application and you hope that it somehow figures out and fixes itself. Okay, let's start it again. So nothing changed, it didn't get rid of these two. I mean, from the looks of it, we can be sure that it actually is using another reference. It referenced another file, so this is incorrect. But now I can show you. If I now delete this one, slash button. Wow, I lied to you. Well, I didn't lie to you, because when I tried this before, it didn't work. But now it works. Okay, you see, use this information as clues to your own problems, because it's magic what's going on here. And you can think whatever you like that I'm making this up, that I've had this problem, but I'm really not. But as long as it works, you are happy. So let's delete the other one, and everything works. So to actually see the media here, I suppose I go down here and reveal in browser, and then now I have both of these files here. And if I now select Reveal in Finder, wow, good news! I fixed the problem. Well, I'm not going to do another video now showing the shorter path to get to this state. I'm just going to put this out and you figure it out for yourself. News update. I wrap things up and now the project stopped working again. Let me show you. You see, here's the project we had the problem with, colored pencil and leads, and now it forgot, so it didn't fix the problem. And yeah, this is totally confusing. The project works, but these no data files are back. So I don't know what's going on here. What has Final Cut Pro done? Now the two working files are not present here in the folder anymore. So what files? Okay, let's follow the clue. Reveal in browser, and there they are. And let's see, where are these now? Reveal in Finder. So where are we? Now we are in new fill pens. Okay, let's do this thoroughly, because I can't read. So we take, of course I can read, but I mean, I don't trust myself to actually see, to read this path correctly. So do my ordinary trick, I open a text document, and I copy the path there. So this is the file that works. So the project uses this one, I reveal it to Finder, and it's here. And what? You see, now the unknown data isn't there anymore. But you still have this colored thing here. Okay, the project works. Okay, so let's switch projects and see if we can come back. We still have this little yellow thing on the previous project. So now I have no data again. And it's gone. Okay, I honestly can't figure this out, but at least you can see if you have the same problem as I have, you can at least take this as clue that you are not alone. There's another way you can lose connection with your media files, and that depends how you import your media. If you, as I did by mistake, import media and select this option, leave files in place, then Final Cut Pro won't copy the files into the library. Instead, it will just refer to the file where you import it from. So I can show you what happens. I already imported this file, so this file here is actually my desktop. So you see here, Reveal in Finder is on my desktop. This means that if I now forget that I did that and I clean up my desktop, now when I go back here I get this red because now the link is broken. Of course, the fix to this is to, well, you can decide how you do it, but I actually like to have my media handled as a bundle inside the Final Cut Pro library. So ensure you have this selected, copy to library, and can I import this one? No, it's too clever. You get into all these obstacles all the time with these tools. Okay, oh, my mistake. Yeah, you see the problem? I deleted it. Here. I'm getting so tired of all the tools making this so difficult. Yeah, now it's sourced in the correct way. So let's put this back. Now it's back there. Now this works, but now we want to fix this. So we re-import this file and we copy to library and import selected. And now you get this little hourglass here. And now the file is inside the library. So if we go to Reveal in Finder, you can see here that it's actually, you see the path down here. It's now in the library. Here's the library, current workspace, Final Cut Pro bundle. And now we can, and now we can clean, come on. What's the problem? Now I deleted it, but Final Cut Pro is still fine.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.